Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off today, New York City. After I get finished with this vehicle, headed back to Cincinnati, doing brake lines. See those cracks there? If that opens up for us. Front brake lines normally, really, you shouldn't have to do the back. These are the ones flexing with the steering. Cam sensors, this vehicle has two. Crank sensor down there as well. Spark plugs, and whatever else we could think up real quick. So, got the car on the jack stand. Break that nut loose back there on that brake line. After I put my drip pan under it, let it drain in the pan, and then fill it up and bleed it. Got this little vacuum bleeder here. Get all the plugs out. The gap feels good, but man, they were in that head pretty tight. Going in with new Volvo plugs. Then we'll hit these cam sensors. Spark plugs all done. I did torque them. I had a mechanic tell me, well, the Platinum wagon that we put that engine in not long ago had a burnt piston. And mechanic said that it was because a spark plug was probably loose. So yeah, I always torque spark plugs in there. If you got the touch, you got the touch. If you don't have the touch, get a torque wrench. You don't want those things loose. Now, we got a cam sensor here. We got a cam sensor here. And the crank sensor is down there somewhere. So let's go ahead and get those three replaced. These two cam sensors, 8mm, that crank's probably a 10. Doing these rear pads on Panther. Driver side, passenger side is fine. So why waste the passenger side ones? Akibono pads. I didn't know they had a squeal shim on there, but they do. So that pad was almost totally worn out. This one was squealing like a dog and just about totally gone. So anyway, putting these on there like they're supposed to, that direction with the rotation of the wheel. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.